Feeling that pre-payday pinch? Your bank account is looking a little lean, but that one bill just won't wait. We've all been there. It's that uncomfortable spot where you're just a few dollars short of making it to your next paycheck. The good news? You might not have to be. What if there was a way to get a small advance on your next paycheck without the high fees or interest of a typical payday loan? That's where the Dave app comes in. If you haven't heard of it, Dave is a financial services app that aims to help you avoid overdraft fees and manage your money better. One of its most popular features is called Extra Cash, and it's basically a cash advance service that can spot you up to a few $100s. We're going to walk through exactly how it works, from signing up to getting the money in your bank account, so you can decide if it's the right solution for you when you're in a tight spot. First, you need to download the Dave app and create an account. The process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to link your primary checking account, the one where your paycheck is deposited. Dave uses this information to analyze your income and spending habits. This is a crucial step because it's how they determine how much of a cash advance you're eligible for. They're looking for a consistent income stream. The more stable your income, the more likely you are to be approved for a higher amount. Once your account is linked and verified, you can apply for an extra cash advance. You'll see an option right on the main screen of the app. Dave will show you the maximum amount you're currently eligible for. This amount can vary, but for a new user with a consistent paycheck, it might be somewhere between $25 and $75. As you use the app and show a history of on-time repayment, that limit can increase up to $500. Now, here's the best part. There are no interest charges. Seriously. Instead, Dave operates on an optional tipping model. When you get your advance, you'll be asked if you'd like to tip. You can choose a preset amount or even enter zero. Tipping is completely voluntary, but it's how the service stays afloat. The only other cost is a small monthly membership fee of just under $5, which also gives you access to other features like budgeting tools and a debit card. After you select your desired amount, you can choose how to receive the funds. The standard option is a free transfer that takes up to 3 business days. But if you're in a real pinch, you can pay a small express fee to get the money in your account almost instantly. This is a game changer if you have an urgent bill due. The repayment is just as easy. On the date you set for repayment, which is usually your next payday, Dave will automatically deduct the advanced amount from your linked bank account. You'll receive a notification beforehand, so there are no surprises. If you need to, you can even extend the repayment date by a few days right there in the app. So, is Dave the right choice for you? If you need a small, short-term cash boost to avoid an overdraft fee or pay a bill before your next paycheck, it can be a lifesaver. It's not a long-term loan solution, but for those tricky gaps in your budget, it offers a simple, low-cost way to get by. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.